This is the biggest Sec 3 E-Math mistake I see people make time and time again. And just for some context, I've been tutoring for the past 3 years, right? Coming to 3 years now in 2026. And I've seen many mistakes made by many different students. But this one mistake is the mistake that appears the most regardless of which school the student is from or which level the student is from. So watch this video to never ever lose this mark in exams again. So we can see that the biggest mistake that we usually encounter is the expansion of this type of brackets. And in Sec 2 E-Math, you learn these two very different special algebra identities. First being a minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And the second being a plus b, a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. Now the biggest mistake is that Sec 3 E-Math students tend to mix up these two, and as a result they get this part wrong. And the worst thing about getting this style of mistakes wrong, right, is that these style of questions usually come in part A of a question, and if question part A is wrong, parts B, part C and part D will all be subsequently affected, and you won't gain the full credit for those even though you know how to do them. So it's very important that you fix this right now early on in the year so you don't make this mistake repeatedly subsequently down the road. So whenever we see bracket squared, okay, I want you to remember when there's a square, you don't literally just put the square into each terms over here. What I want you to do is to first and foremost identify what is your A and what's your B. So what I will do is that I'll write A minus B over here, and then if it helps, you can write A squared minus 2AB plus B squared first as a working, and then you directly copy your A and then you put a square on top of it, minus 2AB, right? You just directly copy your A and your B, and then you copy your B square, and then from here you finally expand to give you x squared minus 4x plus 4 as the correct answer, which you can see is very different from just x squared minus 4. This takes time, this takes a lot of practice to get used to expanding things properly, but I promise you it can save you the most amount of marks, especially if you're a Sec 3 E-Math student. And if you're still watching this video, it means that you actually care about your grades and your results. And if you're looking for Sec 3 A-Math tuition, I have a few more slots at my math tuition center, and if you want more details about those classes, just WhatsApp this number over here and I'll send you the relevant details. If not, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.